What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the only way to verify your Instagram account in just 2 minutes of your time. So let's get started by opening any browser and going to this site, igbadge.club. So as you can see right there guys, this is the site, and now let's load it up. As you can see, this is the site. You see the requirements, you can read that on your own, so tap this continue button. Here you type in your username. As you can see in the background, mine is this, and my first name is that. Okay, now tap continue guys, and as you can see, this is my account. As you can see in the background, that is it. Now tap on yes continue and wait for the site to score our account and see if we have enough to get our account verified. So as you can see right there, the blue tick is there. So let's tap on this continue button now. To get our free verification badge, we must prove that we are a human by passing verification. This is only here to stop bots from taking down the site, so you have to pass it to get your free Instagram verified. So as you can see, you can download two apps and open them and follow these instructions right here. So as you can see, when you tap on the app, it says that you have to win 3 games to pass it. So you have to do this twice for 2 apps, 2 different instructions. So as you can see, all the apps are safe and free. You can download them from the App Store and you do not have to worry about anything. So let's do that for the second app. So as you can see, the requirement for this app is to open it for 30 seconds. So let's do that. The second app is also from the App Store. So guys, I'm going to download the 2 apps, open them for 30 seconds and follow the exact instructions, and I'll speed that part up so it isn't too boring for you, and I'll be right back.
She look at me, so can me each and every day. She has the gift of making me smile. We are always together.
So guys, that is it. I followed both instructions, and now let's go and see if this actually worked. You have to wait a few minutes, so let's wait and see if this worked guys. So as you can see, this is my cursor right here guys. So let's reload the page and see if this actually worked. And right there guys, as you can see, I got my free verification badge as easy as that. So you can get your free verification badge at igbadge.club. Go get your free verification badge while you still can. This is the only free and working way. Let me know in the comments if I can help you in any way. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.